Good day everyone! Today I will make a quick video tutorial on how we can see our real watch hours in YouTube. Okay, we will start. Click YouTube. And maybe next time guys I will make a tutorial also using a mobile phone. Yeah, in the right corner is done. Click your profile, then we can see the channel, paid membership, and the YouTube studio. Click the, it's quite blurry, it's not focusing. Need to click the YouTube studio. Okay. Now you can see the channel dashboard in the left side, videos, playlist. Then you need to find the channel monetization, or it's like a dollar sign. Yeah, this one. You click it. This will look like this. Here they are. Now you can see your actual subscribers and this public watch hour. Since this is my new account and I didn't use this for, I didn't use this channel because this is my new account. This is only for support. Okay guys, that's all. I hope I help you how to find your real public watch hours in YouTube using a laptop. So thank you so much for watching, and hope you like this video and you find it informative and it helped you. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much, and God bless everyone. Bye.